Your favorite smart gadgets could be a hidden threat right now. It's unsettling, but these high-tech tools might not be as safe as you think. Many users are completely oblivious to the stress signals these devices emit. Each new gadget you connect could introduce unexpected vulnerabilities, and this isn't just about convenience, it's about your safety. Picture yourself deep into a project, feeling confident with your smart tools around you. But what if a minor flaw in the system goes unnoticed? A glitch could lead to catastrophic failure, putting both your project and your safety at risk. Surprisingly, these issues often remain undetected until it's too late. Many ignore the potential for data overload, mistaking a constant flow of information for security. You might feel informed, but your focus is likely scattered. While you juggle tasks with your smart assistant, managing everything from lighting to temperature, the overwhelming data synthesis could be sabotaging your system. It's like oversalting a dish. You think it enhances the flavor, but it ruins the meal. Now consider using a smart saw that promises precision. What happens if its software becomes outdated or corrupted? Just one miscalculation could send a blade flying dangerously. This nightmare scenario is happening more often than you realize. There's an urgent tension here. You might feel secure, but your technology could be a ticking time bomb. Many accidents in home workshops stem from these overlooked risks. The very tools designed to protect you could actually be putting you in danger. So, what can you do? Start by familiarizing yourself with your devices. Regularly check for updates and establish a routine to audit your workshop. Look for stress signals like slow responses or connectivity issues. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. As you power on those gadgets, remember your safety is only as strong as the technology you rely on. Stay alert and keep your workshop a safe haven. Imagine this: you're in your home workshop, surrounded by all your favorite smart gadgets. Most people view smart technology as a way to simplify life, yet there's a hidden danger you might not have considered. Let's dive into the safety hazards that often go unnoticed in your creative space. You might feel confident thinking, I have everything under control. But do you really? Picture this: you're cutting wood with a smart saw that connects to your phone. It tracks your progress and alerts you if you're getting fatigued. Sounds great, right? But what happens if that connection drops? You could end up with a tool that starts behaving unpredictably. Now, consider your smart lighting system. It's designed to illuminate every detail of your project, but these systems can malfunction, leaving you in complete darkness literally. With sharp tools around, that's a recipe for disaster. Here's where it gets trickier. Some smart gadgets require constant updates. Have you ever forgotten to update your devices? That moment of oversight could leave you vulnerable. If a hacker gains access, they could take control of your tools remotely, putting you in a dangerous situation. Imagine it being fully focused on your project when suddenly your equipment starts acting erratically. It's not just annoying, it could lead to serious injuries or worse. So, what can you do? First, be aware of these risks. Regularly check for updates and ensure your devices are secure. Creating a safe environment is essential for your creativity to thrive. While it's tempting to rely on smart gadgets, sometimes sticking to traditional methods can be the safest choice. As you plan your next project, keep these risks in mind. How will you secure your workspace? The choice is yours, but it's one that could keep you safe. Are you ready to elevate your workshop safety? Think carefully before powering up those gadgets. Your creativity deserves a secure environment. Remember, the technology designed to enhance your creativity can become your worst enemy if you are not vigilant. Are you ready to take responsibility for your tools? As you step back into your workshop, remember the importance